Holy crap, guys! There's Waffle House.
Waffle
Pull up.
House?
Pull up. Let's pull up.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Whoa.
What's going on in there?
What's going on?
Alright, good job, guys. Good job.
What up, gang? This Slideways on YouTube. We're gonna do some drifting in Assetto today. Yeah, that's about it. Oh, and what do you gotta say to the crew?
Pull up to the Waffle House.
Pull up the Waffle House. All right, let's get it. There, Rowan.
Kind of jump drift.
Why is this fucking terrain all weird?
Whoa!
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Big compression. I think my back broke again. Oh. What are they talking about? My daily battle's ready and it's not ready. Dude hit the Benjamin hard. And it's fighting back.
Alright, hold on. Are you ready for this fat entry?
No. You're not.
Halfway
You're
to
not even
feeling
tandem.
alright. Yeah, go ahead.
Alright, go.
I was trying to take a shot out of some boobies. Who's trying to help him?
Whoa, I just lagged so hard.
Whoa, what?
And then look, you just
We
gotta
hit
fully
that.
extend it out.
We hit that.
Did we hit that?
You better clip that. We just hit our like the only one that we're gonna hit today.
Let's be real.
That's confidence inspiring.
That's
We just ran a stop sign, guys. That's very
Shit.
illegal.
My vagina! I left it at the stop sign! Take it from the top, fellas.
I'm
big
all over it.
entry.
I don't know. Oh, and we're doing a big entry? Oh, wow, buddy. I knew that was not gonna
Almost
hit.
had it.
No, almost
All
out
right,
of that.
thanks.
Wow, that was nuts. Come
My
on,
entry's actually
G.
crazy. Yeah.
You better grab the
entry's-
next gear, guy. Fucking neighbor.
I couldn't. I can't find the paddle.
Oh, that's why. Then you want to go left, yeah?
Oh, you're not leaving the lot. All right.
Oh,
You just mount me.
that's how we do it, baby.
The slideways way.
Mounting. Like call me a fucking RCMP the way I mount T. Oh wow, Matt.
That was so slick.
I'm so sorry. Guy's ass was coming towards my face, and I just ate it up. Oh, no Diddy.
All did he?
I love P Diddy. Just kidding.
Alton is.
I'm more into R. Kelly style. Kid P. My sister's hating on the YouTube filming on a video game. She said, no, this is pretty gay. She says people don't watch that anymore. Please like, follow, subscribe, get the video 150,000 likes.
Yeah, I think you need. Do you wear socks or shoes when you drive?
No, I wear socks on the sim.
Damn, you should take them off
Yeah.
and start filming a foot cam.
Yo, nobody wants to see that fucked up big ad toe.
I'm sure they do. There's somebody. Start selling Assetto content or Assetto Corsa content on Feet Finder.
I'll set the webcam up on my toes for a video. Don't tempt me. Oh, you guys wanna have one of those videos where we just like sit in a circle and go
Oh.
Just
Oh my God.
second gear screaming. Oh, Owen's dead.
Yeah, I think we gotta change our ratios here.
Why?
I'm just unlimited the whole time.
That's
Me
what I
too.
like.
Alright.
It's the hem special. I need a clutch.
Yeah, apparently. Okay. Okay.
Woo.
Where are you going? I don't know why I'm following your fucking line.
Yeah.
Oh, Owen's
Truck!
back in it. Are we going on? Oh.
Whoa.
Did it again.
Is this more your speed?
Mine?
A little slower?
There was nothing wrong with the other track. It's just like I didn't want to have to fucking throw it so big all the time. I want to be able to chillax a little.
Nuh-uh. You get on the same, you drive hard. Or be hard. Now you choose.
Something like that.
What the fuck are you? Why are you transitioning so late? That was actually not.
Kind of messed that one up.
Oh, you're like going wide.
Way more Owens going wide and I fucking follow.
The line is insane.
What is this line? Oh, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, you are. Oh, guys, really left foot braking it. Don't worry, I'll pass. Just kidding. I didn't click third. I fucking took it. Yeah, this is what I mentioned. This better be the most boring video. I'm not commentating. I'm not throwing no comedy out there. There ain't no nuts in this video. Ain't no butts in this video. And ain't no good fucking driving in this video. I'm gonna be real.
L driver don't know how to recover.
All right. Let's see this. Let's see this. You're driving. Oh.
Oh, well, L driver
bad.
doesn't know how to recover. L driver doesn't know how to recover.
Oh, it's
So pretty much it's a video, a bunch of, you know, idiots, playing Assetto, yeah, hoodlums, and they're currently having a takeover around me, but, you know, it's chill like that. So, this gonna be the for real outro.
only
something
thing we
like
do
that.
here is gang bang, and I'm not talking gang banging. I'm talking gang banging.
Shit,
You heard?
10v1 on YouTube.